What comes to your mind when you think of Bodhayun or Buddy?
Teletubbies.
What that?
Fish goal Teletubbies এর মতন someone you can go and confide to, confidant. আর Teletubbies যেটা সবথেকে ভালো একটা কলকাতার ব্যাপার।
আমার জন্য বোধানটা লাগে বড় দাদা, লাইক হলেই প্রোটেক্ট করে।
So I feel the best word that would describe you would be jovial. You're so much fun to be around, and you know, in the most serious of situations, you can make me smile and you know laugh, and that is such a great talent. And thank you for that. And because it's your birthday, happy birthday! I love you. Mwah.
Kisses. A few kisses.
কঠিন জীবন, অভিনন্দন।
Childlike.
অসাধারণ।
Buddy sir is like a north star for me.
Passionate. It is a joy to watch how his eyes light up when he directs actors.
Perfectionist.
Inspiration.
The violin player.
Buddy sir is perceptive. I think he has a great eye for detail.
The only word which I can say, man with a golden heart. Many happy birthday to Mr. Patian.
The one word that comes to my mind when I hear Bodhayanda, it's not one actually, but it is Madhuvidi.
Happy. I find him to be an extremely happy person.
When I think of Buddy, I think of the words multitasking genius.
Bodhayan, in a word, for me is Satyajit Ray. My wishes for you this birthday are that with your extreme talent, vision and ambition and hard work, you can become the Satyajit Ray for this generation, and may all your dreams and goals come true.
Directorial aspect of the cinema.
You are the best in the world.
It's extremely difficult for me to say just one word about Bodhayanda, but if I have to, then I would say super intelligent with a hyphen.
A word which comes to my mind, which I very closely associate with you, that word is detail. আর ওই ডিটেলটা আমি অনুভব করেছিলাম যখন আমি কাজ করছিলাম তোমার সাথে তিন কাহনে। আর ওয়াকি বাহল আর ওয়াকি বাল বাল ওয়াকি।
Bodhayan is a friend who has continued to impress me ever since we first met in school, and is perhaps a friend whom I have missed the most ever since my school days.
So Bodhayan, how to describe Bodhayan? Mononshil, Ruchiban, ও হাড় জ্বালানি বাঙালি.
To me, Buddy is Bengali. I mean, he epitomizes being Bengali in spirit, in essence, in his love for food and love for films.
বৌদ্ধায়ন মুখার্জি বা আমার কাছে পাপনদার একটা অদ্ভুত ক্যাপাবিলিটি আছে, যেটা হলো কাজের মধ্যে হঠাৎ করে সময় বার করে একটু ঘুমিয়ে পড়া, আবার জেগে উঠে হঠাৎ করে কাজ, কোনো লেটেন্সি ছাড়া। খুব ভালো প্রসেসর আর র্যাম, বোঝা যায় আর কি।
So I'd rather choose three words: shocking, Nawabi, connoisseur.
Atypical for me. It's high class.
My teacher, my guide, and a person that I completely look up to and want to be when I grow up.
क्या? ऐसे कैसे चलेगा यार? A perfectionist. Raconteur, immensely creative, but someone who has compassion and sensitivity to portray that.
For me, you're like everything put together. I mean, there is meaning, there is comedy, there is jest, there is mirth, there is thought-provoking, there is endearing, and there is shy. The really, really shy guy. And I wish that when I grow up, and I'm still not grown up, that I end up being somebody like you.
So the one thing that really stands out about him is that he's a wonderful teacher. He allowed me to make my mistakes. He taught me where I went wrong, and at no point he scolded me or ever got angry. In fact, he told me what I could learn from this, and it's just I've had such a wonderful time at Little Lamp Films. I'm really thankful to you, Bodhayanda, for giving me this chance.
He wouldn't. He would just describe
the particular scene or the emotion he wants me to do, and to just stand by and see how I can do it. So I also felt that I was contributing to the creation, to his creative effort.
যখন নিজে ছবি বানাতে আসে, নিজে যে ধরনের সাবজেক্ট চুজ করে, ইভেন ওর ছবিতেও যে ইন্টেন্টটা ওর কাজে ব্যবহার করে, সেইটা বোধহয় আমাকে সবথেকে বেশি টান।
বন্ধু কি খবর বল, কতদিন দেখা হয়নি। বোধহয় মানেই একরাশ ভালোবাসা, আড্ডা, গান আর বন্ধুত্ব।
আপনি আমার কাছে একজন অভিভাবকের মতন আগেও ছিলেন, এখনো আছেন, ভবিষ্যতেও থাকবেন।
And the word is teacher.
Inspiring.
বোধায়নকে one word বলা is very difficult. Perfectionist.
বাড়ির কথা মনে হলেই প্রথম মনে পড়ে রিপুর বাংলা লিখতে পড়তে শেখা।
One word that comes to mind when I look at Buddy: funny but profound.
I always think of him like the conductor of an orchestra.
Food.
Gauri Buddy. Hey Bodhayan, one word to describe you is that you are a gold mine.
He's my mentor. Whatever I am, whatever I'm doing in life is all because of him.
One word to describe Bodhayana would be generous. So I've been very, very fortunate to be a recipient of all of his generosity.
That one word that comes to my mind when I think of Buddy is perfectionist.
Buddy sir is a very sensible person.
Buddy sir, you really need that person in life. Whether you are vulnerable in life, you need him. Whether you really need kick on your butt, you need that person.
The one word that comes to my mind when I think about you is the word key, because I feel like you represent that person for me who's always opened doors to so many possibilities and dreams much before anybody else has realized.
Khush Naseeb.
I think the one word that really comes to my mind when I think of Buddy Sir has to be sarcasm. I think it's something that we bonded over, and I love his ability to have that one punchline even in the gravest moment of shoot.
Of course, he's witty, very friendly, always have a naughty smirk on his face, and nice person, good heart.
Perfectionist.
Genuine.
Fun.
Happy birthday.
Oh God.
I have not seen such an amazing, disciplined, strict, and love for food guy.
One thing that comes to my mind when I think of Buddy is his crazy sense of humor that has put me in awkward situations a lot of time, and Mona had to come to rescue. But I love Buddy's sense of humor. It's just great. It's clever. It's smart. It's funny. I just love it.
Perfectionist.
Thank you so much for everything जो आपने हमारे लिए किया है, और हमने आपसे बहुत सीखा है। एंड अगर मैं ये सिर्फ एक वर्ड में बोलूँ तो यू आर अमेजिंग पर्सन।
The human dignity.
सबसे बड़ा फूडी।
For me, you are practically very honest person, and I like that वो जो शरारती बच्चा आपके अंदर छुपा है और आप उसको मास्क करते हो ना, I really like that.
Bodhayan has been so versatile, a multi-talented genius.
Buddy sir for me in one word would be inspirational. I mean, if I can be as dedicated as he is, as hardworking as he is, as focused as he is, that would really be the dream.
He'd be the first person that I would call. We're very good friends, and we'd love to work together. There just hasn't been anything that's occurred to me that would be good for us. But
Humor.
Brightness.
Off the lamps.
The one word that comes to my mind when I think of you is warm. Thank you for being that lamb. Thank you for always being there for us. Thank you for just being you, I guess.
পুরোদমে বাঙালি, মিষ্টি ছেলে, আদর্শ জামাই।
বোধায়ন শব্দটা বলতেই কি মনে হয়, খুব কম কথা বলতে হবে। বুদ্ধি, বাঙালি, ভীষণভাবে বাঙালি বাঙালি বাঙালি, বিচক্ষণতা এবং ইলিশ মাছের ডিম।
Food.
You're hilarious,
hardworking and persevering.
The one thing that comes to my mind immediately when I think of him is warmth and his sweet smile.
Dushtu Chele with a movie camera is a lethal combination. That's Bodhayan for me.
Once he feels something in a scene, he would want to embrace it forever, and he will not finish the film. He will go out. He will just embrace that moment. And when he sees some birds flying around the trees, and then he feels that it's the most important part of the image, then he will just go out, and then that's it. The same with Godard.
আমার কাছে বৌদ্ধায়নদা মানে সিনেমা পাগল সেই মানুষটা যে সব সময় আমাকে উৎসাহ দিয়ে চলেছে, আর যখনই কিছু ভুল করি ভয়ঙ্কর বকতেও ছাড়ে না।
To me, you are tenacious.
And to me, you have been a guide.
पंक्चुअल। तो ये 17-18 साल पहले की बात है जब हम लोग एडी थे, बट उस वक्त किसी को भी बौद्धायन गलत से प्रोनाउंस नहीं करना पड़ता था। अगर गलती से किसी ने प्रोनाउंस कर दिया, गलत प्रोनाउंस कर दिया, तो वो 5 सेकंड के बाद पॉज देता था एंड देन नो, इट्स बौद्धायन। ना 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 व्हाट, बौद्धायन। वो एक ही शब्द याद आता है मेरे को, बडी, नॉट बिकॉज इट्स द नेम, but because what it stands for, what does it mean. So thanks Bodhayan for being a true buddy.
What comes to mind? His name. He's always teased me for pronouncing it wrong. Bodhayan. And I refuse to call him buddy. He's no buddy to me.
Passionate lover of food and an excellent teacher. I envy everyone who's got trained under him. It's just fabulous.
Only word which comes in my mind is Buddha. Well, let me share one small incident. I was in Black Magic, very new. I joined from Bombay and I was called in Kolkata for a particular commercial called Horlicks. When I reached there, I was given responsibilities by you to handle the cast. So I had to coordinate with them. 6:30 in the morning, I remember I went to the hotel to do the coordination and I was failing. But when you were informed, you left everything and came to help me out. After you did the coordination all alone, just turned to me and said, "Hey, tukuni to tu nijei korte partis. Amake eto tu dorali." You said it in a very different way. I never experienced this kind of thing from a senior most person in a production house. Such a humble way you said that. Whenever I worked with you, I felt one thing: you had the coolest mind, handling the toughest situation. So it is important to understand why I call you Buddha. So নামটাও ভালো পড়েছে বোধায়ন. This is it. I wish you all the best. আরো উন্নতি করো, আরো বড় হও, আরো অনেক অ্যাওয়ার্ডস নাও. Take care.
Hungry. Hungry?
রসিক, খাদ্য রসিক।
শুভ জন্মদিন বোধায়ন আঙ্কেল। তোমার কথা হলেই আমার মাথায় আসে হ্যাপি ডগি। এই নামটা আমার কাছে খুব প্রিয়। এই নামটা শুনলে আমার দারুণ মজা হয়। খুব ভালো থেকো। হ্যাপি বার্থডে ওয়ান্স অ্যাগেন।
He is my creative partner and আমার সাথে সব সময় তাল মিলিয়ে আমরা কথা বলেছি এবং আমাদের বুঝতে হয় না যাকে কি বলে কমপ্লিমেন্টিং ইচ আদার। আমাদের উই আর নেভার স্ক্রিপ্টেড, বাট কেউ বুঝতে পারে না আমরা স্ক্রিপ্টের মধ্যে আনস্ক্রিপ্টেড কাজ করি যখন আমরা ছুটির পাঠশালায় একসঙ্গে কথা বলি। সো সৃজন ছন্দে তাল মিলিয়ে চলার পার্টনার সাথী আমার বোধায়ন। হ্যাপি বার্থডে।
Happy birthday, Sleeping Beauty. So when he used to come for a meeting at our house, Mom would talk about a scene to him and he would just fall asleep. I wrote a screenplay with a sleeping director. Happy birthday!
বাড়িরা, তোমার জন্মদিন, মেনি মেনি হ্যাপি রিটার্নস অফ দ্য ডে। দিনটা খুব ভালো থাকুক।
Lots of love and best wishes. Happy birthday বাড়িদা। আর একটা স্পেশাল মেনশন টু তিন কাহন, যে সিনেমাটার জন্য তোমার সাথে আমাদের আলাপ হয়েছিল। এত ভালো একটা বন্ধু আর এত ভালো একটা ফ্যামিলি মেম্বারের মতো পেয়েছি তোমাকে। মাম্মা উইশ করো আপনাকে। Yes, wishing a very very happy birthday to the most amazing and down to earth person we know.
Happy birthday বোধায়ন আঙ্কেল। তোমার নামটা আমার খুব ভালো লাগে। আমি খুব বাচ্চাদের সঙ্গে খেলতে ভালোবাসি। তুমিও খুব দুষ্ট।
Bridge film best. Buddy, I wish you all of the best. I can't wait to see your next film. and to meet you again. All the best from Kosovo.
Happy birthday, buddy. May you fly high in your life.
Happy birthday, buddy sir. Many happy returns of the day. Stay home, stay safe.
Happy birthday, buddy. Have a wonderful, safe birthday.
Wish you a very, 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 very happy birthday.
A very happy birthday to you, sir.
Many happy returns of the day.
Happy birthday, buddy da.
Happy birthday, buddy sir.
Happy birthday, sir.
Happy birthday to you, buddy sir. Happy birthday once again. We miss you.
Happy birthday, buddy. Best wishes and happy birthday.
हैप्पी बर्थडे
Happy birthday.
हैप्पी बर्थडे बड़ी मौसा जी। आप मेरे फेवरेट मौसा है और मैंने आपके लिए एक कार्ड भी बनाया है। वंस अगेन हैप्पी बर्थडे।
Wish you a very happy birthday, buddy sir.
আমার সমস্ত র্যাডিক্যাল ভাবনার এই বাউন্সিং বোর্ডকে আজকে আমি জানাই শুভ জন্মদিনের প্রীতি, শুভেচ্ছা এবং ভালোবাসা।
ভালো থেকো বোধায়ন, শুভ জন্মদিন।
Happy birthday, both.
Happy birthday, Bodhayon.
Many happy returns of the day, Bodhayon, the enlightened one.
Happy birthday, buddy. Have a good one.
Happy birthday, buddy.
Wish you a very happy birthday.
শুভ জন্মদিন স্যার।
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, buddy sir.
Happy birthday, sir.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, buddy.
Dear friend, I wish you a happy birthday knowing that वो सुबह जरूर आएगी बहुत जल्द जब हम लोग सब मिलेंगे साथ बैठकर खाना खाएंगे।
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
हैप्पी बर्थडे बड़ी अंकल। हैप्पी बर्थडे बड़ी अंकल। I love you. हैप्पी बर्थडे बड़ी सर।
Happy birthday, buddy sir.
Happy birthday, Dada.
We wish you all the abundance that your heart desires.
And hope you have a fabulous day in here.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Very happy birthday to you, Bodhayon. Have fun.
শুভ জন্মদিন বৌথায়নদা।
Happy birthday, sir.
Congratulations on your 56th.
Congratulations.
Happy birthday, buddy. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Bodhayon.
Wishing you a very happy birthday.
Happy birthday, dude. Lots of love.
हैप्पी बर्थडे बड़ी जेठू। हैप्पी बर्थडे।
Happy birthday, Bodhayon.
Happy birthday, buddy. খুব ভালো থাক।
Hello sir, happy birthday sir.
Happy birthday, buddy da.
Many happy returns of the day.
Happy birthday and love you so much, sir.
Buddy sir, happy birthday.
हेलो सर, जन्मदिन की आपको बहुत बधाई। You are the rock star.
Happy birthday, buddy sir.
Happy birthday, buddy sir.
I wish you many happy returns of the day.
Happy birthday, buddy sir. Happy birthday, buddy.
Happy birthday, Bodhayon. Have a great day.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, buddy sir.
শোনো সুধি জন, শোনো দিয়া মন, দাদার চরণে আমাদের নিবেদন। পূজা তারি হয় মটন বিরিয়ানি দিয়ে, শেষ পাতে সীতাভোগ ভাজা ভালো ঘিয়ে। লকডাউনে বসে আমরা দুজন, দূর থেকে জানাই হ্যাপি বার্থডে বৌধায়ন। Sir, happy birthday.